Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage multiple crypto wallets, follow these step-by-step instructions to organize your digital assets securely and efficiently. Step 1. Understand why you might need multiple wallets, including separating hot wallets for frequent trading from cold storage for long-term holdings, or organizing different cryptocurrencies across specialized wallets. Step 2. Choose appropriate wallet types for different purposes. Use hardware wallets for significant holdings, software wallets for regular transactions, and exchange wallets only for active trading amounts. Step 3. Create a secure system for tracking all your wallets, including addresses, backup phrases, and the amounts stored in each. Never store this information digitally. Use encrypted storage or secure physical documentation. Step 4. Label your wallets clearly by purpose, such as long-term holding, trading, DeFi activities, or specific cryptocurrencies. Clear organization prevents confusion and accidental transfers to wrong addresses. Step 5. Secure recovery phrases for each wallet separately, using methods like splitting phrases across multiple secure locations, or using metal backup plates resistant to fire and water damage. Step 6. Consolidate wallets periodically if you've created too many, being mindful of transaction fees. Fewer wallets reduce complexity and the risk of losing track of assets. Step 7. Use portfolio tracking apps that aggregate balances across multiple wallets to monitor your total cryptocurrency holdings. These tools provide a complete picture without compromising wallet security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.